Hi guys, welcome back to Zoom on Life. मैं हूँ Karanbir Singh. I'm an actor and author, but यहाँ पर मैं हूँ सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपका host. Firstly, before we start, thank you so much for pouring in so much love for our first video. I am just touched to see the response that we've got and the stories that we've received, and I promise that we will share. I can't share all of them, but some of them for sure. For this new show, मेरी टीम ने रिसर्च करी है. We figured out what is this question. You know, what could be something that people are really searching about and really want to talk about, and we figured out this one thing that says, is 20 the new 40? Yes, so all those who are going through this period of 20 to 30, I think it's a very relevant topic. I'm myself in the 20s, so I can really relate to this. That firstly, before we start about it, let me give you a recap of what all is expected out of us. 20s में आपको अपनी अंडर ग्रेजुएशन ख़त्म करनी है, आपको अपनी ग्रेजुएशन ख़त्म करनी है, आपको जॉब लेनी है. देन यू ऑल्सो हैव टू फाइंड आउट वेदर इज दिस योर रियली योर कॉलिंग और यू वांट टू डू समथिंग एल्स, एंड इफ इट इज समथिंग एल्स देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट ऑल ओवर अगेन. इन बिटवीन आपको रिलेशनशिप में पढ़ना है. यू विल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट रिलेशनशिप्स, ब्रेकअप, हार्डशिप्स. If you're unfortunate, and because sometimes there are unexpected questions, you might have to go through loss of someone you love, loss of your dog, and also sometimes, you know, someone you really care about, them going through something really bad in their life. Then you have to decide on who do you want to settle with. Mostly then get married to them, and because you want to get married to them, you also have to make sure that you have the balance, you're stable. That means you need to have a kind of a graph in your career also. And after that, if you want to make an investment of buying a car or buying a house or something, that is on you, and start your own family. All of this in 10 years. Don't you think it's a little too much to ask of someone of just, you know, who's just come out of college or school and just got into college and just finishing his college? I think that is too much, but that's how life is, you know. पहले के ज़माने में आपने वही काम करना जो आपकी फैमिली करती थी, because whatever systems we had, and there was child marriage, and you got married by the age of, like, you know, you were living with a partner by the age of 14, which is quite weird, rightly. By the time they're 20, they're already parents of 2 to 3 kids. That's really weird. I mean, that's a different era, but today I think everyone who is going through these 20s, I just want to say that take a deep breath and let it go. Trust me, I really get this thing, because it is just too much to handle in these 10 years, and I feel this is my personal mantra. If you guys like it, please use it. नहीं तो मैं तो यूज़ कर ही रहा हूँ. Is that try and become the best version of yourself slowly. See what is right there, what is right there in front of you. If this is the job I really want to have, if I really want to give and focus these 5 years, have short term goals basically. You know, I don't want to think about कि मेरे 20 के एंड तक मैं सेटल हो जाना चाहिए, मेरे पास गाड़ी होनी चाहिए, बड़ा घर होना चाहिए, एक नाम होना चाहिए. I don't know उसमें से क्या क्या बन सकता है, क्या नहीं हो सकता, बट मुझे इतना पता है कि नेक्स्ट 3 months के अंदर I can achieve a certain kind of a body. I can muscles and all. In next 3 months I can read at least 2 books. You know, I can grow a little more. I can take up a short course on something. So there is, just have short term goals, and you know, I try to have like 3 months goals. You know, 3 महीने का गोल बनाता हूँ, and then after every 15-20 days I see, okay, how close am I, how many steps have I taken towards it, if I'm progressing or not. So what happens is 3 months, you know, you really, by the end of the year, you will have at least 2 goals completed, and you'll feel better about yourself. And trust me, there is no age to settle, there is no age to realize what you really want to do, there is no age for anything. अगर आप especially 20s में हैं, I feel you should make most of your life. मुझे याद है मैं रशिया में था, मैं सेकेंड ईयर में कॉलेज में था. I was studying in Christ University, and I got this ISEC के through this offer to go to Russia as a teacher and intern over there. I think it was an amazing time. तो मैं वहाँ पे था, and obviously after school I would go around, have a lot of friends. So I had spent a lot of money, and I remember having this conversation with my father where I told him that, you know, Dad, मैंने बहुत पैसे spend कर दिए, I'm really sorry. I promise when I come back I will give you, you know, I'll work hard and return back the money, and all that stuff that we say that comes to our mind when you're just guilty about it. And he said that, you know, I wasn't fortunate enough to have this kind of resources or this life, and you don't know how life is going to be in next 5 years. So make the most of it wherever you are. If you're lucky, if you have the resources, if you can enjoy, if you can take time out to really enjoy life, please do it. And अगर तूने अपने हिस्से की मस्ती कर ली है तो अब जाओ मेरे हिस्से की मस्ती करके आए. That was very nice of him to have said that and given me that opportunity to go and explore and really enjoy life. I think because those happy moments is something that you'll always cherish and hold on to in future. So write to us something. What do you guys think about 20? Let's keep it simple. आपके हिसाब से जो भी लोग 20 में से गुजर चुके हैं या 20 से जा रहे हैं, what do you really think is pressurizing you in your 20s, and what is it that you really want to get rid of or really want to achieve by the end of the 20s? So do write to us. I will be making another another episode, just to share everything that you guys have said, and we will be taking their names. I will be thanking them personally for writing to us, sharing their beautiful stories with us. So stay tuned. Zoom on Life. Wake up with a smile. Thank you.